A lesson from an unexpected rain. The afternoon looked calm and pleasant when I decided to walk to a nearby shop. The weather seemed perfect, so I left the house without thinking twice. I only needed to buy a few groceries, and I expected to return within a short time. While I was walking, I enjoyed the fresh air and greeted a few neighbors along the way. Everything felt normal, and I was sure it would be an easy trip. After I finished shopping, I noticed that the sky had become much darker. Thick clouds covered the sun, and a cool wind started blowing. Within minutes, heavy rain began to fall. Many people opened their umbrellas or waited under the roofs of nearby stores. That was when I remembered that I had left my umbrella at home. I had no choice but to walk back in the rain. My clothes became completely wet, and my shoes filled with water. I held my shopping bag close to protect the food inside. The rain kept falling, and the wind made it even harder to walk. Although I felt uncomfortable, I kept moving because I wanted to get home as quickly as possible. When I finally reached home, I changed into dry clothes and made myself a hot cup of tea. The warm drink helped me feel relaxed again. As I looked at my umbrella beside the front door, I smiled at my own mistake. It was a simple thing, but forgetting it had made my short trip much more difficult. Since that day, I always check the weather forecast before leaving home. I also keep a small folding umbrella in my backpack, even on sunny days. It does not take much space, but it can save me from unexpected rain. That experience taught me that good preparation is often the easiest way to avoid unnecessary problems. A small habit today can prevent a big inconvenience tomorrow.